The STC1000 thermostat is essentially a power switch with a temperature sensor. It provides two outputs, one for heating and the other for cooling. Before we start, complete the wiring as you see on the screen. If desired, you can wire a single load instead of two. Once the power is turned on, it will perform a self-test. Next, shows the room temperature, just as you see it now. We call it the normal state. If it shows any error codes, please find the solution from our website. Let's learn the shortcut keys. Under normal conditions, press the up key to check the temperature set point. It will back to the normal state in 2 seconds. Press the down key to check the hysteresis value. Press and hold the power key for 3 seconds to turn off the power to the motherboard. Do it again to turn it on. To restore the factory settings, press and hold the up and down keys simultaneously for 5 seconds. You will see YE on the screen, and then shows the room temperature in 2 seconds. Above is the basic operation method. Next, let's learn how to configure the STC1000 thermostat. The first step is to enter the menu list. Press and hold the set key for 3 seconds. You will see F1 on the screen, and the set indicator will light up. Press the set key to check the existing value. Press and hold the set button, meanwhile press the arrow key to modify it. The moving step is 0.1 degrees. Press the up button to the next parameter. To update other parameters, just follow the steps above. After configuring all options, you must press the set key to save the data and back to the normal state. Note that if you did not press the power key within 8 seconds, the new data will be discarded and reverted to the normal state. Owns dual relays. The STC1000 intelligence switch is so powerful, it's suitable for aquariums, greenhouses, and many applications. However, it is not the best choice for egg incubators, freezers. This article on our website will help you choose the right thermostat in minutes. Please find the link from the description below the video. Thanks.